Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Richard, founder of Short Term Rental University and Airbnb Superhost. Charles and I are going to play a round of golf here at the Snake River Sporting Club, and at the same time we're going to check in on my two investment properties. The one behind me is the first one that's going to be completed. I haven't been here in a couple of months since Charles and I were last here filming, so I'm going to just share with you my first thoughts, my first impressions. You can see it's under construction. The other thing I want you to check out is the other one that's under construction all the way down there, Charles, and that's the other one that has the siding. Well, actually it's just the wrapping. I think my two on the fairway here are the first two that are going to be completed. The other ones you can see are at various stages, but I'm pumped that this one is first. And I don't know, I would say we're probably about 2 months away, 3 months maybe. All right, cool. So let's go inside. Watch your step, Charles. All right, so I like this Typar house wrap with HydroGap technology. Drainable water resistant barrier. That was on the outside. The windows look really nice and bright. Nice high ceilings. I personally am not a fan of the way that they do some of this spackle here in Wyoming with this like splotchy thing. It gives texture, but to me, oh wow. To me, it just doesn't really add that much value. Look at the double cathedral ceilings and this great room. So like I was saying, this is gonna be just an incredibly beautiful room. I love the ceiling height. I love the spacing. I love the views. We're gonna have to showcase that. The fireplace. Again, as a reminder, one of the really cool things about this building, this house and the design is that it's set up to be short-term rented and it has multiple lock-offs. So it could be rented as a 1-bedroom, a 2-bedroom, or a 4-bedroom. So depending on the party size, you can accommodate them and price accordingly. Somebody who's coming and only wants a 1-bedroom doesn't want to rent a 4-bedroom. And likewise, I don't really want to own a 1-bedroom, I want to own a 4-bedroom because it's more money, but if somebody wants to rent it alone, I can just lower the price, lock it off, they have access to 1-bedroom. I guess this must be the kitchen back here, and then this is the living room, and I love the exposed beams. Super cool, super cool. So I think this must be the master bedroom, although I'm not 100% sure, but again, I just love these views. Come out here, Charles, check this out. I mean, you're like on the golf course. Forget about the construction, that's all going to be beautiful landscaping and so on, but just look at the views of the golf course and the mountain range behind. I mean, this is just spectacular. It's so nice and bright in here. Feels great. Cool, so look, I just like to document these progression videos because it shows the construction, the different phases and the amount of time. I think it's great to have this in posterity, so I like doing it for myself. I also like to bring you along and show you what sort of construction looks like. And here's the point of the whole thing. This is not a guaranteed winner. In fact, I could lose a lot and I could lose my retirement savings, but I think it's a good deal. I like it a lot. I'm enjoying the construction. I think it's going to cash flow. So far, I think it's already been a very positive return on investment. I think it's going to continue to be. But again, I remind you, there's no guarantees. You have to be willing to take the risk. I'm quite comfortable with the risk. I hope you're getting more and more comfortable. I hope these videos get you comfortable realizing that there's opportunities and they're risky, but you're not crazy for entertaining them. So maybe step outside your comfort zone and go for something. Again, without risk, there is no reward. Stay tuned, we're gonna keep updating this and you'll know whether I was right or wrong or somewhere in the middle. I think it's gonna be fantastic. And in fact, I think I'm gonna keep one of these when I retire at 59 and a half. I can then use one of these and I think I'm gonna enjoy it a lot, golfing right there. Now in the meantime, I'm about to go show Charles what's up on the golf course. Give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe. Thanks guys.